Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to turn on or off the silent mode on the iPhone 16. Now this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but this will work on all the iPhone 16 models. So in order to turn on the silent mode on or off, there is an action button on the left side. You just need to press and hold that particular action button in order to turn on the silent mode. As you can see, I'm pressing and holding the action button right now and it has turned on the silent mode. Now pressing and holding it again will turn off the silent mode and bring it to the ring mode. Now there is another method which you can also use to turn on or off the silent mode if you have remapped the action button to use for something else. Now this button is the permanent one and it will be available in the control center. In order to enable that, you just need to swipe from the top right corner of the device and here you can see a bell icon is going to be available. Just tapping on that, it will turn on the silent mode. As you can see, the silent mode is turned on. By tapping it again, you will notice that the silent mode will be turned off. So guys, this is the permanent method even if your action button has been remapped to something else. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. If you have any question or query, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.